Homer's once said that when life seems tough and wonder why, remember that a good teacher is always quiet during a test. Dear people of my country, I know that we are facing an enormously difficult time as the pandemic rages the world. Global economies collapse. First, please know and trust that volatility always gives way to tranquility. And as Frederick Nietzsche taught us, chaos gives birth to dancing stars. Today, I am here to tell you that we are now in a battle against coronavirus. The most important thing, the most important thing that we have to understand that this situation had lent us an opportunity, especially for the youth of our country. India is known as a young nation in the world because India holds the maximum number of youth in it. And as the biggest economies in the world, like that of Europe countries, China, America, are being collapsed, but it has lent an opportunity to Indian youth. But hence, in order to access this opportunity, Indian youth must educate and prepare himself for the upcoming standards. The America, which had made itself the most powerful nation in the world on the basis of lethal weapons like nuclear bombs, missiles, submarines, machines, has to bend in front of India for its medications. This has showed us that India can achieve anything that it wants. The whole world now understand the importance of humanity. But India has from ages has focused on Ayurveda. Now we are all locked down in our houses. Hence, we does not have access to gym, parks, swimming pool, etc. etc. But we must not stop working out. We must exercise in our home to keep and improve our fitness. But Indian people are already practicing yoga. Yoga does not require a large amount of space. It is the best exercise you can do at your home. Certain examples of how yoga can improve your fitness are such as Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati can help to immunize and improve our immune system for the deadly diseases like coronavirus. Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara has many benefits. I actually personally do 108 Surya Namaskara per day, which gives me the ability to work out the way which I used to work out in a gym. Especially in these times, I can use that exercise to complete my whole workout regime. I know that many of our citizens, many of our relatives have become depressed and anxiety has curbed over them due to this lasting period of coronavirus, lockdown, etc. etc. Fear. What is fear? Fear is the biggest mirage, a mirage that we all must cross. Actually, I remember a story. Once there was a man. He was a climber actually. Once he sought out to climb a mountain, probably the biggest mountain in his country. He sought to climb that mountain. He went through all the toils and pangs. He tried. He failed. But he get up and he tried. And through all his hard work, all his tries, he finally reached the top. He spent a whole moment there, taking selfies, taking pictures, made in marks. He also put his flag on the top of the mountain. But when he started to descend, he noticed that it's getting dark. When he reached his halfway, he noticed that there is a pitch black darkness surrounding him. Finally he reached at a point where he noticed if he moved an inch or a little bit, he will fall into thousands meters into darkness. Hence, he stood there, frozen in immense fear. But when the first rays of sunlight began to show in the horizon, he saw it and he smiled. He simply smiled because what he was thinking was actually a large stone platform. If he fell into it, he doesn't get even a small scratch. Fear is like that. We all fear. We all are afraid from something in our life, but we must conquer it. Today, all of us, many of us actually, have the fear of coronavirus. We must be brave and sort out it. We human beings are braver than we think. and stronger than we know. We will overcome this, and this messiness will eventually lead to a world with more pure leaders, greater creativity, and a decency that knows a fewer limits. Leverage the enforced quality of this time to rework an insecurity into bold and beautiful creativity. The best artists exploited their sufferings to produce their masterpieces. Write a book you have always wanted to write, or paint the art you have always wanted to paint for the world. Heroes are not born during the times of ease, but in the times of dangerous discomfort. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela found his true genius on the Robben Island. Rosa Parks became a hero while facing mistreatment, and Churchill amidst the violence of the war. During this dark period, we must navigate and become a hero. We must help and we must navigate our fellow citizens, our relatives, our friends, our entire community through this dark period. Believe me, believe me, this shall pass. Winters always yield springs. It's just the way world works. Trust me, the mess will make us into more wiser, more creative and more noble people. Life will become more even than before. And where the response is hysterical, you can know the wounds was hysterical. Our fear is already pre-existence, but this has only scratched and made that fear come out of the surface. This is a good time to heal the cuts that have limited you as a leader, to release the chain that have bound you as a human. Once you improve your inner world, your outer world will also improve drastically. Leadership begins within. The job of leader without a title is to represent the courage around those and to the scare people, and to stand for undefeatability while others panic. Be a force of steadiness for all those around you. Maintain a perspective. And by all this situation, I remember a story. Actually, this is quite old. When my father were in the school times, at that time there was actually two shoe brands which are popularly known and used. One is Bata and other is Corona. Yeah, I know it sounds funny, but Corona. It means that our ancestor has the capability to wear Corona under their feet. Means we Indian youth, we Indian citizens also have the capability to control Corona under our feet. Hence, we should not fear. We should be brave, and we should rule over Corona. Hence, stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy into 100. Thank you.